Hi guys, welcome to Renuka's Mindful Fitness. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Renuka and today's recipe is a lazy Sunday afternoon chicken recipe. Now it's a Sunday afternoon, you woke up late and you're in no mood to cook anything massive. What you can do? Well, this doesn't take a long time. The prep time is under 5 minutes. Yes. The cooking time is under 10 minutes and trust me, it will get finished in no time. Why? Because it is that tasty. So come with me, I'll show you how to make today's recipe. I've marinated the chicken with some turmeric and salt. Here I have some curry leaves, some green chilies and some garlic, and of course lots of jeera. Now what you have to do is you have to grind jeera, green chilies and garlic into a mixer grinder and make it into a dry coarse paste. You don't have to add any water. See, this is how it should look. Okay, marinate the chicken with the coarse powder, the paste, the dry paste that we made of jeera, garlic and green chilies. This is how you will marinate it, and you don't have to keep it for 10 or 15 minutes or anything. It's good to go now. Now heat around 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil in a kadai, and once it's nice and hot, add lots of curry. Now we'll add the chicken and give it a nice mix. Some salt as per taste. Don't add much because we have already added during marinating it. Okay. Alright, now we'll add water. Don't add much water because we have to make it nice and dry. Okay. Give it a nice mix. And cover and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes. So here our chicken is almost done. Let's squeeze in some lemon juice and give it a nice mix. Now check the consistency, decide how you want it. I like it a little more dry, so I'm going to cover and cook it for around 5 minutes more, and then we are good to go. Our healthy and lazy jeera chicken is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be back again with some more healthy recipes for you all. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.